Hey, and welcome to our new video. Today we're solving a vital question for Shopify merchants and entrepreneurs who are into SMS marketing in general. It's all about your peace of mind while reaching customers with your SMS automations. The peace of mind of knowing that your SMS automations are not spamming people and your revenue is growing while your customers remain happy. So, how do I feel comfortable with activating my SMS automations? Let's show you. There are two different methods of SMS automation you can use to define the kind of recipients you want to message. Go to your SMSBump app settings in Shopify and scroll down to the field called TCPA and GDPR SMS Send. This field has two settings: moderate, which means that your SMS automations will be sent to all the customers who have submitted their phone number in your store, or strict, which means only the customers who agreed to receiving marketing messages from your store by confirming this checkbox during checkout. And of course, they've given you their phone number. Customers who have agreed to exclusive offers and submitted their phone number are automatically added to your text marketing list. This is the main difference between the two methods. It's up to you who you choose to send messages to. Once you've selected the type of sending you want to use, you can go ahead and activate all the SMS automations you want your Shopify store to send out: abandoned carts, inactive customer remarketing, and more. So that's it for now. To sum up, the moderate setting means your SMS automations will be sent to all the customers who submitted a phone number, and the strict setting will send your automations only to customers who have accepted exclusive offers during checkout. Subscribe to our channel to get more SMS marketing tips and guides for Shopify and keep growing your business. Thanks for watching.